That's the thing about street drifting, the risk that comes with it. The consequences are so high.
Oh yeah, you risk smashing your car up, losing your licence. That's why a lot of people, they do it, they get into it and they fuck it off, because they either get points, get banned, or bust their car and they just piss money up the wall and they think, what the fuck was the point in that?
It's not attached all the way around.
Holy shit.
Yeah, did you not see that?
No. Shit.
Yeah.
So why do you still do it then, drifting?
Until car's blown up or beat the fuck up. You're in for a penny, you're in for a pound now, aren't you? You may as well keep going.
I love that philosophy.
It's not fucking cheap though.
Yeah, I bet. Shredding tyres every day.
It's not. Blue lights have just come on.
Where?
I don't know, but they come on behind us. Give them a minute. I just seen them back at roundabout bombing over.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Should we pop bonnet? Go on then.
Carpet's clean.
Is it? Fuck.
Carpet's lovely. Where's the fucking thing?
Oh no, that's the rope that keeps the radiator on.
Well, this keeps the radiator on. What?
So radiators.
What is going on? Holy
pretty
shit.
much.
Yeah, that's got a bit of play in it.
Yeah, we need to sort.
Little bit of play. MOT.
Need to sort that out, I think.
Fucking V6. Say what you want. It's 3.5 litres of pure power. It's
V6.
gonna fucking send all that power straight to the rear wheels.
Yeah.
You know, this is an absolute weapon, really, if you know how to drive it. Let's be honest.
313 brake horsepower though. For what? 2007. You've got to think, fucking hell, man. Golf R's don't even come 313 brake these days, do they?
True, innit? Mark 8's only coming out at 298 or something, or 303. Correct me, maybe.
For back in the day, mate, we're fucking holding its own. Still does today.
Yeah.
What are you shaking your head? Hold it up.
330 brake on a Mark 8 Golf R now. Fucking
hell,
Cameron's correcting us. Never mind the comments. We meant to leave that one for the fucking viewers, you know what I mean? Fucking
yeah, leave that for the comments, man. Gets the algorithm going.
We're clear.
We're on wire.
We're on the wire?
Yeah.
No.
Drifting.
Huh?
Drifting.
None of us. Just checking motor. The lad that was skidding just left.
Where my kids and dogs walk around here.
Hey bud. Yeah, we don't mean to offend you, bud.
Dickhead.
Yo.
That's why I just come out and fucking flat up there.
Yeah, he just fucked off, Gadge.
Well, if he's gone, just jump in and chill.
Well, if you want to steal a car, yeah?
You can steal the car if you want to steal the car.
Mate, it's alright.
Yeah?
One says, we've got kids, yeah?
Yeah, yeah.
Kids what, dogs?
We'll get off, mate. It's not a problem.
No, I'm not worried about it, just be ready.
Yeah,
That's
yeah,
all I'm saying.
well, that's why we've come out at midnight, Gadge.
Yeah, and we've got spotters down the road as well.
I'm all for this fucking drifting shit.
Midnight, we come out when it's wet, do you know what I mean? We don't mean to hurt no one. This is our thing. We don't take drugs or out.
100%.
This is our thing.
Fucking let you in, Brad.
Yeah, of course, that's what we do. Come out, make memories, and that's our thing. We don't party or out, just petrol heads. Spend money on fuel.
100%.
Spend money on fuel, mate.
Go on then, like a fucking video.
No, we can't be doing that. You come out and complain now.
No, I've walked from my flat in fucking...
Oh, what, to come watch?
Yeah, to come watch.
Come have a go. Right, well, we're going to have to get off.
Oh,
then.
do a few more.
Is that security?
No.
Might be security. I think that's us done for tonight.
Why?
We need to get tyres. We need tyres.
Well, you gotta do a few more.
There's nowhere fucking open for tyres.
Yeah, we gotta do a few more. I fucking walked over and fucking pulled you.
Come on then, we'll do one for you.
Good lad, good lad.
Ah, I thought we were going to have to knock him out then. think we need to get out of here.
Yeah, we need to get the fuck out of here.
How was that?
That's fucking beauty.
Good.
Did you hear that? Wire.
The wire on the wheel itself
Yeah.
is making that noise.
Yeah, slapping on arches.
Risky shit.
3 points. So you can feel it getting looser and looser and looser and looser and looser
Yeah.
as them tyres disappear. Fucking hell.
Rough road this.
That's a camber arm breaker, that one.
What I don't get about that bloke is he approached us and said there's kids about.
Yeah.
It's fucking 12:30 at night.
Walk my dog down here. What, fucking 1 in the morning, you daft twat.
What? And then he goes, go on, send it. I got up out my flat to come see this. Make your mind up.
I just hate them tense, confrontational moments with people when they come over like that. Who's drifting then? You're like, ah, for fuck's sake, here we go.
It weren't us, I'll tell you that now.
That's what I said to him, want me, mate? Kid's just fucked off.
Factory garden edition bits of rope to keep it
Factory
up.
mounted fucking radio, that's beautiful.
It's got
It's got a blue pipe there.
it's got water in.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we don't use
That'll
coolant.
keep it cool.
Yeah, right, it's got water in.
Fuck's sake.
That's why we've got a fire extinguisher.
Just
Fucking
in
full
case.
well.
Safety though, that's a good thing to have. I've seen a lot of cars go up, that's not even a joke.
Yeah,
Fire
boots and your
extinguisher.
extinguisher, mate. You're on a winner.
You've got safety.
Put any
everything's up to
fucking fire out.
standard.
Other than that,
Got a good battery on it. You can see-
cold air
Yeah.
intake.
To be fair, they do actually look alright.
Yeah, they'll do this. Yeah.
No, we're taking piss, but it looks alright.
All bottom at street, bear in mind. None of it's fucking paid for to get done. It's all bottom at street jobbies. Fucking slap it on. Don't even know if they're the right ones, to be honest, mate.
They're on.
They're on. Bought them off eBay off someone in a box, and now they're on it. And fucking she goes. The only problem I found when I put these on, doing donuts, it overheats.
Really?
Yeah. Don't know why, but if you stay doing donuts in a really tight circle for too long, it starts to overheat. Must be because they're sucking in all fucking
You had any
heat
other
hot air.
issues with it, like manufacturer stuff, any like common stuff, anything
No,
like that?
fuck all.
Nothing.
Show you, look.
That's how it's done. We can't do that to people's cars, we've got to let them do it.
Cable tied on bumper, obviously. Yeah. Oh shit, now we're making a mess.
More pin.
Yeah. Probably shouldn't kick it, it's got 2 years of muck under it, hasn't it?
Oh my god.
Don't know what to show you. OEM seat.
Yeah, listen, it's got the OG seat as
Yeah,
well.
yeah.
Say
So
what you want.
that's what the OEM seats look like. Absolutely terrible for drifting because they're leather and you just slide about. Fire extinguisher, March 2024. So,
Even the extinguisher.
told you 2
bro.
years, man. 2 years, everything.
Even the extinguisher was out of date.
So should we might have to test that later.
We'll just test it on Alfie.
Yeah, test that.
Why do I get it?
Test that on him, we'll see if that works. I'll buy another one from Aldi.
Slides well on these.
Oh, fucking hell. Any of you boys that move weight?
What the fuck?
Wanna borrow these? Here's a shout. Yeah, it's fishing bus slash drift bus slash fucking passengers fucking litter box.
Weird Fanta that, what the
Hey
fuck?
up, hey up.
Where'd you even get that Fanta from?
Backup hair bobble here for, that's for bumper that. Other than that, there's not really much to fucking say about it apart from it's absolutely clapped the fuck out.
It's not. It's not. I mean, it's not as clean as when I seen it last.
Yeah, I'd say the only thing worth £1 on it would be engine and gearbox.
It's still a motor.
No, yeah, it's
You know
a
what I
drift
mean, like-
missile, innit?
We're taking the piss, but yeah, you know, it's still a weapon at the end of the day. It'll still fucking do plenty of sideways action, as you're about to say.
Well, I should have really bought a cheaper one, but I bought it with the intention of it's getting fucking hammered. We're going to drift it, we're going to hydro it, it's going to get the
It's
full
a drift
fucking lot.
beast,
Yeah. So
It's like 3 degrees right now. You know it's cold when Padgy's got trousers on.
I've never seen a roundabout like this.
And normal shoes.
I have not worn trousers in almost a year now.
That's how you know it's cold.
To be honest, it's to be more discreet.
that's how it's done.
I sent the life out of my car.
That's how it's done, innit?
That is mad. That makes me want to drift car.
Yeah.
Like, yo.
That's what I mean though with these, the Japs built them, they were made to weld the diff up and just skid the tits out of, man. They knew what they were doing when they made it.
It's to be blended in. If you look like that, you couldn't tell that's me or that's you.
Nah. I have got shorts on underneath these as well.
You pull it out, and the way it goes out, like that, and then you're back on it. Like,
Yeah, and just
that is just perfection. Fucking beautiful.
feed it.
Beautiful.
I would not trust me doing something like that.
Well, with enough practice. That's what we promote. We want you to be good drivers. That's why we're getting the best drivers on, the most safe drivers on, that have had the most track experience and practice. That's why they can do this. Ooh, that was right on the curb then.
Really scram the curve.
Right on the fucking curb.
This is why we're the best drivers.
Fucking send it, man.
Back out. Come on. This is proper drifting, this boys.
That's how you fucking do it.
This is proper drifting.
Into hydro, scrum a bit of speed. Back on
Tell
fucking
Robert
gas.
Mackey to get a bit of this.
La, da, 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 da.
Come on.
That's why I say I don't diss the
Watch out,
automatic
careful, that
boys.
could be a Fed.
I don't diss the automatic boys, you know what I mean?
K22, is that Fed?
Yeah.
Yo, that's Fed.